babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video, and in today's video we will be doing nails. This is my once a month nail video as promised. So this video is a little short. I did a collab over on TikTok with Beetles, and they sent over their X Press Plus Light Kit. This is a press-on kit. These are the shortest nails your girl has ever had. And may I dare say that I like these? Now, hear me out. I'm a long nail girl for life, but do you see these? I can braid with these nails. These nails are practical. I can do things with these nails. So that's what I love about them most. This kit, though, is amazing. This has to be one of the best press-on kits that I've ever tried. I will be repurchasing these with my own money just because of how convenient these are. So I was able to do this set in like maybe 10 minutes. I was going out that night and my nails were not done, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna put these on. So it comes with everything you need. It comes with the nail glue. It comes with nail glue remover, which is a first. I have yet to see that in a nail kit. It comes with cuticle oil, and of course it comes with the gel top coat, which I love. You get a shaper buffer file, which I'm using here. You get a UV light, which I really love. And of course you get the USB cord to power that on. And of course you get these nails. I will have the exact number of nails that come in the set, but you get quite a few. I think there's 5 sleeves in there and tons of different sizes. Now I have larger nail beds and I was shook. So they give you a good variety of sizes. So I'm just showing you here what that looks like. As you can see, and it comes with antiseptic wipes to clean your nails and nail beds. So I clean my nails off camera, and here I'm just using the glue and applying it to the nail and then pressing down on that. That adheres really fast. Once I was done with that, I used the shaper buffer to just file away that little tab that's at the end. And then I go in with that gel. So then I go in with the top coat gel at the end, and that cures in about 60 seconds. I honestly love this kit. As I said, I will be repurchasing these. I'm sorry this nail video is shorter than the ones that I've been putting out, but because this was a short form video, I didn't really film everything long form. So it's shorter than the rest, but I have another kit coming up. It's actually some nails that I purchased myself from Beetles, some Gel X nails, and they're stiletto. So definitely stay tuned for that. Let me know what you guys think about this. Are you into short nails? What do you think? And the price? Oh my gosh, let me put the price right here. Everything you need is in this kit, y'all. Definitely, I will leave all the links down below for everything that I used. If you have any suggestions on nail content that you would like to see, feel free to drop that in the comments. Please like this video before you leave, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.